Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just giving you a quick update on the 180, 18.8. For fuck's sake. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just giving you an update on the 18.8. Just a few bits that we've been doing over the last couple of weeks. Sorry I haven't updated any further for a while. So things that we've done are fitted the lights, which are actually motorbike lights that look pretty good with all the bumper fitted. So I've still got to do the bumper bar, which is probably going to be done after I spray it. I've fitted the body kit, as you might have seen on the last video. Just mounting the handbrake, I've just made a bracket, so I've got to take the gearbox and engine back out again before I can weld all that up. Seats fitted in so I can fit it all to my lanky body. So we got a fantastic OBP Motorsport Hydro to go in. Thanks to them for hooking me up with that. Absolutely awesome bit of kit. So you may have seen, if you've been watching my Instagram, fitted the tank in the back. This is actually the tank out of Harry Hudson's Celica, which is obviously Mark's a long time ago. So this has come back to the family, funny enough. Made the brackets and then made this panel here. And now what I'm doing is I'm just making the firewall for here, so I'll show you that today. So I've got to put some numbers in it and whatnot. So yeah, so this is the firewall that I've been building over the last weekend really. Took me quite a few attempts. First of all, I made it out of steel, that part, and then that part, and then I was going to put perspex in the middle. I made it out of thick steel. I thought I was going to go with that, but after a lot of deliberation I thought, well, let's do it out of aluminium. So I made it half and half out of aluminium, thinking I wouldn't get it in one piece. And then again I thought it's not quite what I wanted. So I made it again out of one piece, and it does go in. It's a little bit of a jiggle, but it does go in. And today I've done my 66, which I'm going to bead roll into the middle, and then I'm going to get my brother, who's an expert at bead rolling, to do flames up the side. Or more of an expert than I am. So yeah, that's today's mission. So I'll show you how that goes. Cheers. I want to interrupt this video to thank all my partners. PowerTune for digital dashes, available on #66.com. TH Components for the body kit, BN Sports Kit, TH Components for all your body kit needs from Ireland. Thank you for their support. F&P Plumbing and EarthMet for their long-term support. F&P Plumbing, local company in Worcester, plumbing and heating needs. Dave, brilliant guy, thank you. EarthMet, all electrical earth supplies for the industry. OBP Motorsport for the handbrake, and they've got loads and loads of parts in their catalogue, so I'm sure I'll be dipping into that one a bit more. Thank you to them. Cirque Motorsport, have a look on their website. They've got a range of things, from fuel all the way to AN fitting lines and everything like that, so thanks to them. Big Red for refurbishment of brake calipers. They've helped me out over the last couple of years, so thanks to them. And Huxley Motorsport, last but not least, because he allows me to use all his kit and advises me on what to do, so thank you to him. Cheers guys. So that's the 66 done. We've drawn on some flames. I don't know if you can see that. Drawn on some flames, just freehand. Mark did them freehand on this side, and then I traced it and put it on that side. Obviously it's a little bit different around there. So Mark's going to now bead roll that in for me. And then a bit of dressing, and that's that part done. After we've done that, then I can take the engine and gearbox out, and we can look at spraying all the underneath. So getting there slowly. So hopefully be out this year at some point. Just booked a drift day with Jonathan East. He's organised one at Driftland, so we got a practice day planned for then, so that's the target date. However, if I can get it done in August, happy days, but we'll see how we go. Okay, so we got the engine out. Brother helped me get that out. So engine and gearbox is now ready to go. So next thing is take everything off it, put it back on the spit, spray it, put it back together. Easy as that. Stay tuned. I have an update for you during the spraying process, so if you're interested in that, then keep an eye out. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Cheers.